So if you're doing affiliate marketing and you're going to ClickBank or Amazon Associates or any other popular affiliate network to try to look for good products to promote, you're doing it completely wrong. Now, that's what everybody else will tell you to do, right? But that's what, again, what everybody else is doing, and that's why most people are not making any significant money doing affiliate marketing. Now, what if I show you the right way to do affiliate marketing? The same process, the same business model that companies such as NerdWallet, the Bankrate, Expedia, are utilizing, and nobody is talking about this model. There is a secret business model that I use when it comes to affiliate marketing, and it's generating insane amounts of commissions for me on a regular basis, and I never ever go to ClickBank or Amazon Associates to try to look for products. There is a better way to do affiliate marketing, and let me show it to you. Click on the link around this ad. I want to take you to a private invite-only workshop where I will reveal to you the secret affiliate model nobody's using that you can tap into right now to launch your own wildly profitable real deal affiliate business in 7 days or less, even if you're starting from zero. That's right. The reason this works for virtually anybody is because this is not a course that you have to buy and try to figure it out by yourself. You will be hooked up with a done-for-you business-in-a-box solution that will allow you to just step into commissions within 7 days or less. You have never seen anything like this, and your life can change forever. If you are sick and tired of not getting the results that you are after, if you're sick and tired of buying courses after course, and you're ready for a legitimate, real breakthrough with affiliate marketing, click on the link around this ad. I will see you on a private workshop, and get ready to radically change your future.